This is how to fix your car. E300 Mercedes-Benz 2009. There is a way to remove the to replace the lower mesh grill. What's your name again, my friend?
I'm sorry, say that again?
What's your name?
Edwin.
Edwin. This
Yes.
is Edwin.
Hello.
You own or your dad? Or you work here?
I work here, but I also own a MERCEDEZ C300 myself.
You do?
Yep.
Wow.
Same. I own a 2013 actually.
Wow. And you work here at Auto Body Shop. I used to fix my car here because that guy over there is already closed. So what he gonna do is he have to remove the, what is that?
It's a cover. Yep.
It's
This
the
right
cover
here.
right there in the back. We're gonna go at the underneath. I don't see. Underneath there. Oh, I don't want to break that. I don't know that there is a technique to remove that without removing the bumper.
Actual. Yeah, you don't.
Actual bumper. See, this is the easy way. Alright, thank you.
No problem.
You go underneath there, so you don't need to remove the bumper, all over bumper. So you don't need to go through all this. You don't need to take all of this and all of that and take the bumper off. I didn't know that you have a shortcut. Just remove that there underneath. Then you just push this, I guess. The easy way. So you go underneath right there. See how many he removed? Like 3 of them. 1, 2, 3 bolts. 3 bolts. Make sure you have to put it back. Okay. Nice. You have to wait for it. Ah, there he comes. I try to be a busybody right here. So
I get it.
money back from YouTube channel. Okay, guys. I can see. How come I can see it? There it is.
Oh God. Okay.
This is underneath the bumper.
That one's out.
I almost break my bumper. Look.
Yeah.
This is too. So how many bolts you removed? 4?
As of right now, 3, but I think there's 6 altogether.
Oh, there's 6?
Yeah.
I see. Nice.
I'm bothering you. Oh, no, it's not you. Shit, these cars are so small.
Yeah, it's so low. Sometimes when I park and there's a no pavement,
God.
I keep worrying. What did I break my bumper yet? See, I don't have a tools like that. So I just can do it. I changed all my I have a few do it yourself.
Oh, videos.
The videos of this car. One, two, 3, 4, 5.
What are you calling it? 11? That's what we're putting that thing inside.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He removed 5 already.
Oh, okay. Hey, boy, you can get the jack.
You need a jack?
Yeah, go get the jack for me. Up there.
Alright. Before the other bolt. Six underneath. 6 bolts underneath.
Let's see if that comes.
6.
Thank you. Better. I can fix, guys, but I don't have no tools and a jack like that, so I asked somebody to fix it for me at the body shop. Here's the body, my favorite body shop, Auto Body Shop at 700 Chestnut Avenue, Sommerdale, New Jersey. H&A Auto Body Shop. They charge shipping here. They did a perfect job on my Mercedes. I'm gonna wait for him. Here comes my hero. Make sure it doesn't crack your head.
Oh yeah.
That would be an accident. Alright. So, 1, 2, 3. Nice. I don't know that's the shortcut.
Yeah, oh yeah, there's...
You better do the YouTube.
There's another one there.
He owns the same Mercedes that he owns.
What year you have?
2009.
Oh, okay. It pretty much looks the same exact thing. It's...
Really? What color?
Oh, mine's is brown though.
Brown? Oh, I like that. I love Mercedes. This is my second Mercedes. And when I was young, I said, can I have Mercedes?
Let's see.
So I said, even though it's just new car, I said, I work hard for it. Let me have Mercedes.
Yeah, exactly. Nope. We covered it up underneath here. Jesus Christ.
Oh, they cover it.
Yeah, they covered. I guess mine don't have this on
It
it.
doesn't have that in yours.
Hold on, give me 1 second.
Oh, they cover it. He said that he thinks that it's easier to do it that way. But it's covered. It's different from what he got. So let's see if we can fix that one, or we're gonna go to the other way. Then we go to remove the bumper way. This is clean. Oh. Does it look good? It doesn't have no rust and everything inside. That Ford Explorer is already rusted. And this one doesn't have everything at the bottom is good. Stainless. Just a little bit rust in there, but not bad. Let's see. Let me check. Let me check what's in there. It's rust. A little rusted, but it's okay.
Yeah. Say that again. Say that again.
Huh? Oh, I'm sorry. I thought this one.
No. Nope. Gotta take this fucking bumper off, dude.
Remember, I changed my whole front end. I didn't have to take mine off.
Yeah, you gotta take the bumper off because this goes this way. You understand? And you got this piece right here, look. See this?
There's no way.
Nope, you gotta take the bumper off. Where's the new one at?
Ah, give me one. Right here. Yeah, this one. All the clips go from the inside.
Yeah, all the clips go this way. You don't get scared, take it apart. You Mercedes Benz owner?
I shall fear you.
Nothing special about it. Same as any other bumper.
Just trying to get, I'm not trying to take the bumper. I'm pretty, if we can take this out and just reach in there and get it out without taking it out, if I'm saying.
Alright, here.
So the screw? Or you need to do
These are, how big these come out? These are fucking big, Joe.
Another one.
Here, give me the other one. I'll do the other side. Here she is.
We can do it underneath, guys. We have to remove the bumper. All we need to do is to remove the bumper. There we go. I'm just gonna show you how this is how to change the lower mesh of your Mercedes-Benz C300. Right. Let's remove this.
Get out. Got that one off. Alright, what else? This is zip tied here. We get some clippers.
You work here for a long time, huh? You fix. I saw a lot of brand name car before. BMW, Mercedes, even saw a lot of high caliber. Boom!
Oh yeah,
nice car.
he works on a lot of foreign cars also.
Yeah,
I just started here a couple months ago.
Couple months ago. Nice car. You don't have that much broken cars this time. Last time it was.
Yeah, he got him out.
Oh, nice. All the way down there.
That puts back on there. This is a clip right here. Yeah, I know, but all this crap on me. That's hard, right? Yeah, it's hard as hell.
I guess they didn't open yet. This is original.
Oh, yeah. Jesus. Oh, you know why? You got a clip right here, too, look. Yep, got it. Wait up. Oh, right here, too.
Oh, two clips. And the two clips here. One clip here and one clip on the left side.
Oh, we got a dead bird in here. Want to make sure before I pull it, mine's had another mount on it. Finish there.
Can you believe the lady who changed the bumper upper this one? She was a lady. But I can do it. But I guess not. I was so nervous.
These, you know, people look at it and they'll see Mercedes and they get scared.
Yeah, because
Scared to
you
work
know
on them and-
you break it and it's hard to replace it.
Yeah, and that is expensive.
It's
Yeah,
expensive to replace it.
exactly. There you go.
on YouTube that like he removed everything like here. Oh my god, there's a lot. Right here until there.
Like some,
And you have to move the tire and then
sometimes you don't have to move it. I mean, sometimes you do, but there's certain things you can try to get to. Like this is one of the few things you might be able to get to. I'm trying to do a lot of moving the front bumper. Just to do that, you gotta move all this, all that. Like you said, it is a lot of work.
I know. Can you just push it now?
No, because you don't want to break the tabs that holds it in. Because then when we try to push it on, it won't clip on.
Okay.
Mercedes makes hard cars to work on. Okay.
I don't know why that's I guess it was melted. You think so?
What?
It's hot.
This right here?
Yeah.
It could have been something on the highway or something like that. There you go.
And it's hard to see it in here.
Yeah,
so we just can push it.
Oh, God.
I thought that's easy.
Everything too, until you get to what you want to change.